Mutatis mutandis. It is a medieval Latin term mean with the necessary changes. It is a rule of adaptation. The phrase denotes that it may be necessary to make changes owing to the situation, but the issue remains the same in the document. Stare decisis. It is a Latin term mean to stand by the thing decided. It is a common law doctrine. The court to follow the precedents as applicable to the similar sort of cases. Usually, the judgment of the higher court are binding on the subordinate courts in the matter of law, which cannot be distorted. The doctrine of stare decisis was in use in medieval England and America, that is in the common law jurisdiction. In the 17th century, English Exchequer Court was given the binding force. Article 141 of the Constitution of India runs as any law declared by the Supreme Court to be the binding on all the courts within the territory of India.
Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Oh dear, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.